Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to start with the cross-site scripting labs. So we have completed till this much of website hacking tutorial hashtag 12, and now here we have hashtag 13. Stored cross-site scripting into on-click event with angle brackets and double quotes, HTML encoded, and single quotes and backslash escaped. So let's take this lab. So here we are. It's not solved, I'm gonna solve for you. So this lab contains a stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in the comment functionality. So here we have a vulnerability in comment. To solve this lab, submit a comment that calls the alert function when the comment author name is clicked. Okay, so just access the lab. So make sure that your Bob suite is connected to the proxy, and here we have intercept is on. Make sure that this is also on. Okay, now let's go to proxy and intercept. Okay, cool. Now here we have no input, so let's go to our view post and in down. Okay, so here we have comment section, so let's give a comment, anything, hello. So name is would be anything, Techno, email techno@gmail.com, website https and techno.wordpress.com. Okay, so now make sure that your intercept is on. So here it is on, and now go to your browser. Now post comment. So here we have thank you for the comment, and you won't solve anything, so you won't see anything. Just go to your Bob suite. So here we are not connected to the proxy, sorry. Let me connect it to the proxy, just wait a minute. Okay, so here we have forgot it, so now it's done. Okay, now cool. So let's off and browser, let's go back. Now just change the hello Techno, now new name, so it's okay. Now just turn it on, and now post comment. So here we have intercepted. Now let's send it to repeater. Just forward this also. So here we have source code. Okay, so here we have commented is linked. Okay, now okay, just forward this also. Forward here. So here we have completed. Now just turn it off, and now go back and see. Here we have hello Techno. So let's go to your view page source. Just move down a little bit and move right side. So here we have on click event where tracker track. So this is this, and here we have backslash single quotes escaped. So here we have move out from this. So we will use our In website we will use a JavaScript alert function. So let's go back, and now let's write, hi, my name Ayan. Okay, now Ayan, let's give anything. So hello @gmail.com, and now here we have website. So from website we will type https anything and backslash. Now it will write same thing. Let's remove this thing, wordpress.com. So here we write remove this question mark, apples, and then semicolon, alert function, then alert, and then dash apples, and then semicolon. So here we are done. So let's see, wait up. So now it's okay. Here's a question mark and oppose semicolon dash alert one, and then dash and oppose semicolon. So now let's make it turn on and just post a comment. Okay, so here we have intercepted. Just go forward. Okay, wait, so it's loading. So here we have again requested forward. Okay, one more, forward, forward. Now let's see. So here we have solved the lab. Congratulations, you have solved the lab. Just forward this nothing. So here we have now if we go to your browser, now we have to just go to the vulnerability. So make the turn intercept off. Okay, so here we are. So on click my name, it will give a alert function of one. So click on. So here is the vulnerability. So we have solved the lab. Just okay. So it's error. So here we have solved the lab. So hope guys you like this video. Please give thumbs up, and if you're a newcomer, please subscribe to our channel. This is Ayan Ahmad signing off.